Will the Uniswap centralization drama cause Uni to dump? And there's yet again another integration for Uniswap protocol. And we will review the potential hidden gem that was mentioned on last weekend's live stream. All that and more in this video. What up, homies? It's the Crypto Homie back at you with another video. Before we get into it, make sure you guys subscribe to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So diving right into it, as you guys can see, like Uniswap hanging in there at $3.06. Homies, if you've been on this channel like before, you guys know we did not want to fall below this $3.20 area, which unfortunately we did. We fell below it. Okay, and then we broke through as support. We're holding it as support. I thought we were going to hold it. So okay, did not happen yet again. We had this big candle right here. But on the bright side though, this may be a higher low, which would be very good. You see, we did fall down to like the $2.96 area, $2.90 area, which is good because we had the body's closed and opened right here. So that's some good news, showing some support right there. Very like micro support. But hey, hopefully we can hold that, make a higher low, bounce back above this $3.20 area, and then obviously continue making higher highs and get above the $4.80 area. Because as we know, back here we knew holding the $4.80 area was necessary. But so far everything's been on the downtrend. There is some drama about the governance voting we have to go over, which we're gonna get into very soon. But as you guys can see, just getting above this $3.20 area, it just needs to happen. So what do you guys think about the price? Right now it seems like a great time to buy. Moving on to the drama, the Uniswap risk falling another 10% over centralization worries. So I'm just gonna hit the highlights. So the highlights are: members of the Uniswap community claim that whales with access to large quantities of Uni tokens are anonymously changing the network rules. The accusations followed by the launch of the first proposal on Uniswap, dubbed as Reduce Uni Governance Proposal and Quorum Thresholds by Dharma. So basically, they're just worried that these big players in Uniswap that have a lot of voting power are basically centralizing the whole voting system. In one way, it's like rigging it to get their way. So scrolling down, it says Dharma, with its massive voting power of 15 million votes in one address alone, already presents a threat to Uniswap's sovereignty without this proposal, which will so powerfully entrench them in Uniswap governance, they might as well just outright own the DEX. Guys, own the DEX, that means centralization. The whole point of DEXs, whole point of Uniswap is decentralized. So we really don't want to see these big players making massive changes to the protocol without letting everybody else have their vote. Yeah, like they can vote, but they're not. But their vote it doesn't really mean like anything. Right now, it's kind of like it's like rigged. So let's see how this all plays out. I think it's playing out pretty good to buy Uni. There's so many people that bought Uni up here. Above $5, and right now a lot of them are freaking out because they do what we don't do in this channel. They buy high, they sell low. We like to buy low, sell high. So right now it's giving you yet again another great opportunity to buy Uni at a discount. How about you guys? Like the sub $3.20 area, that seems like a great time to buy. I said if anybody bought, especially below like $3, is such a great buy. Right now, yet again, even if this is a higher low, which right now it looks like it is, we still have about 5 hours and 36 minutes on this candle. But it's looking pretty good. Hopefully we can hold that and bounce back up, and then hold the 320 as support. So that's just some of the drama that's going on with Uniswap. What's going to happen. That vote's on October 19th, if I remember correctly. So we shall see what happens. Seems like some short-term drama with short-term downward price action. Up next for the next Uniswap protocol integrated into TradingView. Guys, this is pretty cool. It says you can now chart the @Uniswap protocol, type Uniswap, and then you have to have the colon things like the 2 dots into the search box to see the top 100 symbols by liquidity. So homies, I'll show you how it's done. You got to just type in Uniswap and make sure you get this colon, because I was like, why is it not working? You got to do this. And look, you see the top 100 by liquidity, all Uniswap. You just keep scrolling down, the top 100, okay? I think that's pretty cool. So why did I decide to bring this on this video? Why do I say, oh, this integration with TradingView, oh, this seems like no big deal, homie, no big deal at all? No, this is a massive deal, guys. This is just showing that Uniswap is here to stay. Why would TradingView integrate this if they thought Uniswap was not here to stay? This is a sign that, hey, this thing is here to stay, and Uniswap right now, in my humble opinion, not financial advice opinion, it's a great time to buy. It's a great time to, accumulate. Dollar cost averaging is my motto. So this is a great time to maybe get a little bit extra because, hey, it might fall down lower, but at the end of the day, it was all the way up at like $9. And long term, especially with version 3 of Uniswap, I can see this thing well above $20 in my personal opinion. That's that. But yeah, guys, definitely check that out. I think that's pretty cool to see it. Yet again, another integration. You just go here, type in, bam, bam. It's all right there. You see cores, the first one. You got Hex. I mean, Hex is a pretty big deal. I've talked about Hex before. I don't know about you guys. I'm pretty excited for getting my free Hex because I've been staking for about 10 months now, if I remember correctly. So like it's been a while. All right, guys. And now on to the last bit of news. The potential hidden gem that was on the live stream last weekend, Filecoin. Today's the mainnet launch, and guess what, homies? This thing was up over 100% earlier. I saw this thing was up like 130%. It's crazy. Filecoin, but you have to be careful. Please be careful because Filecoin here refers to the mainnet token that went live on October 15th. There are some IOU, so some exchanges are offering like FIL, the coin IOUs, to where you buy it and then they'll give you the Filecoin after they get it. Please be very careful. I only recommend actually buying the real thing because you just don't know if you're going to get scammed out of it. Keep that in mind. So the mainnet launched today. So today's the only day that you can officially get the Filecoin. But look, like on last weekend's live stream, the IOUs were going for like $26. $26. Let's just scroll down to see the 24-hour high was $114 on CoinGecko. $114. So last weekend, if you bought an IOU and it was real for $25, you more than 4x'd your monies. More than 4x your monies, homies. That means you turned $100 into over $400, $1,000 into over $4,000, as long as like you bought the real thing. So I don't know about you, that is some pretty massive gains right there. It says all-time low on today was $28. See, 138% from its all-time low, which was pretty much today. So guys, that's just some crazy gains right there. Crazy gains. Right now, it looks like you can get it on Binance. It's on Binance. This is kind of like I think Filecoin's a big deal. It's kind of like a Uniswap. They just got listed on mass exchanges like right away. You got Binance, Gemini, and Binance.com, not Binance US, just to clarify. You got CoinList, you got Kraken, Huobi Global. We keep going down, and you got Bitrue. Guys, these are some of the top exchanges in my opinion. I would love to see a pro Coinbase listing, but hey, it just launched today, guys. It's been going on for years. That they've been, on testnet for years. So hopefully they get a pro Coinbase listing. That would be great. So what do you guys think about this Filecoin? Did you guys invest like last weekend when we did some research on that live stream? Because it definitely seems like a legit project. It seems like the long term, it's going to work out. But hey, only time will tell. And what do you guys think about all this drama going on with Uniswap? This centralization worries. Is this just some FUD, to scare people away? So then the big players are actually now buying in some Uniswap. I don't know. That's just my little speculation that they're just trying to dump the price so they can buy more. Because it's like the more it dumps, the more the weak hands will sell. Then the more the strong hands are able to buy in more. And then they have more voting power. They own more UNI. When version 3 launches, they're making more gains, homies, making more gains. So what do you guys think about that? And as always, you guys can follow me on Twitter, the Crypto Homie, at homie_crypto. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, afternoon, morning, wherever you guys are from. And as always, not financial advice, just pure entertainment and education only. If you guys like this video, smash the like button, subscribe for more content. The Crypto Homie is signing out.